Alright, so the last one I'm gonna be reacting to is Conroy Cat Gets Fired. A Conroy Cat Super Mario Cartoon Mania short.
Hey, read the description I made.
Alright, since Conroy Cat doesn't work at his old Cartoon Cafe restaurant, his old Cartoon Cafe restaurant, he decided to make his own place at home. Alright, now let's start.
Were you expecting someone?
No, and I don't see anything in the script about Abby?
You're fired!
Fired?
Get out!
Okay.
I'm sorry that you wanted to hear that your job is gone, Conroy. But
What did she say?
to hear that your
Let me put on the captions.
I'm sorry that you wanted to hear that your job is gone, Conroy.
Oh, okay.
I can still help you if you really need me.
Thanks, Abby. I just don't know what's wrong with me. I don't have a job anymore. I'm just a lonely kid. I know. Maybe you can give me a new job. After all, you can help me get my new job instead of working at that Cartoon Cafe restaurant.
Wouldn't it be easy?
Yeah, it will be easy. Now, let's get back to work. Okay, since I don't have my old job anymore, I decided to work at home. Wow. Look at world, Conroy Cat and his own Cartoon Cafe restaurant is back at home. Ooh, yes.
What is it? Alright, now the last one is Doggy laughs at Conroy's joke, even it's funny.
Why have it delivered when we can get it ourselves? Well, I can get there.
I have no idea what's going on.
It's not that funny. Would you relax? Jeez.
Alright. So Doggy is laughing because of Conroy's...
Oh, come on.
Alright, I think that's it for now.
And tell them to subscribe to more videos.
Alright. Subscribe and like for some more videos.
And tell them bye.
And bye.